Good
Hello, teacher.
evening.
Mm. Uh,
Can you hear me?
yes.
Okay, very good. I will share through the screen now.
Mm.
Okay, time and work. Okay. So look at this one. Okay, do you know how to read time?
Mm.
Okay, do you know how to read time?
Yes.
Okay, like this. So when you try to look at the clock, you must know how to read time. Okay, like this. This is what time is it? Look at the two pictures. What time is it, Kim?
Mm. Let me see.
Say, what time is this? This one.
Uh, in the I do you care picture one? This picture.
Okay, this one, yeah. What time is this?
Mm.
Time is,
It's a best one.
okay, 12. It's morning already. Okay, 12.
Oh, um, it's still best a
12. 5 best date. This is 12. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12, 8. Okay, the long hand is in the numbers 8 and the short hand is in number 2. 12. Okay. Now, please tell me the time for this one. Okay. Write down two ways of telling the time. Okay, example, this one, we have o'clock, 3 o'clock. Okay, number one, this number one. Okay, please name the 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, try to write the letter of your choice here. Okay?
Can you wait me?
Mm-mm. Are you done?
Excuse me. I forgot.
Okay, write down 2 ways of telling times you've learned. Okay, example this. 8:30. Okay. 4 o'clock. Oh, this one, what is the time?
Yes, teacher.
Letter D, do you have answer right? Finish already?
Yes, I forgot.
Okay. 8:30. Very good. Okay, this one, it is 4 p.m. 4.
Hmm.
Okay, next. Letter D. 7:15. The evening. 6. 90. 9:40. 5
Oh,
a.m. A quarter to 10 a.m. 4 p.m. 4 o'clock. Yeah, correct. 4 p.m. 4 o'clock. 10:35 p.m. 25 to 11 at night. Okay, so it means many is this? Okay. There were many. Okay, so this is 4 o'clock. This is 10:30. And as you can see, the picture is so small. Teacher and cannot comprehend, cannot understand properly. Okay. Listening for, listen to the conversation and read questions 1 to 4. Write 2, 3, and 4 in the boxes. Ready?
yes, I am ready.
18b. Time and work. Listen and look. There is one example. 1. What time is lunch today?
Bye, Mom. See you at 3:30.
Wait, Sally. You have to be back before that. Lunch is at 3 o'clock today.
That's late for lunch. We usually have it at 2.
I know, but not today.
Can you see the number 1? Now you listen and write 2, 3, and 4. 2. What time does the boys' television program begin?
There's a great program on TV tonight.
What time is it on? I want to watch the news at 9 p.m.
No problem. Mine starts at 7:15 and finishes at 8:30.
3. What time does Zoe have to get up for school?
Do you have to get up early, Zoe? Not this week, because I'm on holiday. I get up at 10. But when it's school time, I have to get up at 8:30. Do you? I get up at about 7 o'clock every day.
4. What time is it now?
Quick, May. It's late.
No, it isn't. It's only 4 o'clock. The film doesn't start until 4:30.
Oh, sorry. My watch is wrong. It says 25 minutes past.
That's okay.
Okay? So what time is lunch today?
Teacher, can I listen again?
Okay, okay.
18b. Time and work. Listen and look. There is one example. 1. What time is lunch today?
Bye, Mom. See you at 3:30.
Wait, Sally. You have to be back before that. Lunch is at 3 o'clock today.
That's late for lunch. We usually have it at 2.
I know, but not today.
Can you see the number 1? Now you listen and write 2, 3, and 4. 2. What time does the boys' television program begin?
There's a great program on TV tonight.
What time is it on? I want to watch the news at 9 p.m.
No problem. Mine starts at 7:15 and finishes at 8:30.
3. What time does Zoe have to get up for school?
Do you have to get up early, Zoe? Not this week, because I'm on holiday. I get up at 10. But when it's school time, I have to get up at 8:30. Do you? I get up at about 7 o'clock every day.
4. What time is it now?
Quick, May. It's late.
No, it isn't. It's only 4 o'clock. The film doesn't start until 4:30.
Oh, sorry. My watch is wrong. It says 25 minutes past.
That's okay.
Yes, teacher, I don't.
Okay, one more. Kim?
Yes, teacher, I don't.
18b.
Oh, that one. Can you hear?
Time and work.
Yes, I
Okay,
don't.
very good.
Listen and look. There is one example.
Yes,
1.
yes, teacher, I don't.
What time is lunch today?
Okay, you're done, right? Okay, so we have here 4 p.m. Okay, So number 3 is what time does Zoe? 8:30. Very good. Okay, this one we have. Okay, D. Okay. Number 2. What time does the boy television program begin? 2 and 10:35. Okay. So here, please read the story and write your answer in the box. Okay. If you're done reading, you tell teacher Anne. Okay, Kim?
Yes.
Okay, please read and find the answer inside the box.
Yes.
If you're done, you tell me. Okay, you have the answer now? You'll have number 5.
Yes, teacher, I don't.
Okay, you're done. Okay, number 1. His father Jim teaches art. Okay, and this one. Number 2, what is your answer?
It's my answer is factory.
Correct. Okay, number 13. Number 3.
Yes, it's skiing.
Okay. And next is K. Very good. Number 4, please.
It's you. Yes, teacher. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes. Okay, number
Yes,
4.
answer is use.
Okay, used. Okay, Michael can use. And number 5.
Yes, teacher. Number 5 is borrowing.
Borrowing. Again, borrowing.
Borrowing.
Okay, very good answer. Let me see. Okay, later, after a day in the mountain, Emma gets online in her hotel at 5 p.m. But her conversation is much later for Michael's mother. Okay.
Yes.
So what do you think is the best name of the story?
Yes, teacher. Can I ask you some question?
Yeah, sure.
Is your country hot?
Today?
Yes.
Very hot, Kim. Today, very hot. How about in
Uh,
your country today?
me too.
It's very hot in my country today.
Uh,
The same in
me,
Vietnam?
yes, me too. Now I hope I can study in the room has the conditioner had the conditioner.
Okay, what do you think is the best name for the story? If I will ask you. It is Michael's family conversation. They go on traveling. Okay. So now answer the question. Okay, I will ask question. Okay, Kim, first Kim. Do you have friends or family who live in other country? And Uncle Juan.
Um,
Okay, do you have friends or family who live in other countries?
uh, yes, I have, but I don't remember they name.
Okay, okay. Do you use the computer to chat to your family and friends?
Yes, yes, I do because it's very useful.
Okay. Have you ever been to the place where the time was different, like morning in Vietnam, and then when you go to US or another part of US, it's already 6 p.m. Okay?
Yes,
Okay, so this one. Okay, please listen and check. Okay, are you ready, Lynn? Are you ready? Sorry, Kim?
18D. Time and work. Listen and look. There is one example. What's Kim's job?
Hello. Is your sister working in an office now?
You mean Kim? Yes, but only for about an hour each day. She isn't a secretary.
Is she an artist then?
She's an engineer. She designs skyscrapers most of the time, but bridges as well.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. How does Kim go to work?
Does Kim take the bus to work?
She could do that, but she needs to drive there and to travel to different parts of the city each day.
Can't she cycle? There's so much traffic.
I think she'd like to, but she needs to carry too much.
2. What time does Kim start work?
What time does Kim have to be at work?
Well, she has to get up at 6:15. Then she has breakfast and leaves home at 6:45.
So when does she arrive in her office?
At 7:30. It's really early, but she doesn't mind.
3. Where does Kim have lunch?
Where does Kim take her lunch break? Does she go home?
She doesn't have enough time to do that, Mr. Lowe.
Is there a cafe in the building where she works then?
Yes, but she usually takes sandwiches and eats them in the park. She likes doing that best.
4. What was Kim's first job?
Okay.
Is this Kim's first job? She told me she wanted to be the manager of a clothes shop.
Well, she didn't do that, but she worked at a police station once.
Really?
Yes, but she didn't have to wear a uniform. She worked in the kitchen there.
5. What does Kim like most about her job? Is your sister pleased with her new job?
She had to study for a long time, but she loves it. She really enjoys being outside too.
Does she
Okay.
have to go to lots of meetings too?
Yes, but she doesn't enjoy those very much, and she hates talking on the telephone.
Yes, teacher, I am finished.
Okay? Okay, done.
Yes.
Answer. What scheme job is? Okay, very good. What time does scheme start to work? What? Right? Does scheme light? Where does scheme loved wife? Where does scheme have lunch? Oh, sorry. Where does scheme have lunch?
Yes, teacher, Kim have learned in the cafe.
Okay, I will share another topic for you. Okay, what did you do today, Kim?
Yes, teacher. I am swimming and go fishing.
Mm-hmm. Wait me, Kim, ha, just a minute, kinuwan be.
Yes.
Wait me, ha, where is it? 18, 19. Okay, I will share now.
Yeah.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we have here the time of the year, okay? So we have here, Kim, the short adjective. So when you see the word nice, this is short adjective, you have to put R. It becomes nicer, okay? So superlative, how about superlative, teacher? Din is the nicest, which is the strangest. Okay, so it means nice, very top, nicest. Above, it's nicest. Okay, it is nicest.
Yes, teacher. I remember this book. No. Let me think.
Okay, when you see more expensive, when you see long adjective, you have to add more. And superlative, the most. Always remember that one, okay?
Yes.
Mhm.
I
What is it, Kim?
yeah.
Okay, autumn and fall mean the same. Autumn is used in British English. Fall is used in American English. And they are just the same. Okay, so we have here the different day of September. Okay? Okay, I have questions. So, what day is it today? Okay, what day is it today? Today is
Um. Today today a Thursday.
today is Tuesday.
Thursday.
Yeah, is it weekday or
Thursday.
weekend? Is it is weekday or weekend?
Yeah, it's a weekday.
Okay. Okay. What month is it?
Um.
Month of today. What month are we now?
It's August.
It's August. Is it summer, autumn, winter, or spring now?
It's autumn.
It's autumn. Okay. What century are we in? We are in the 20th 20th century. Okay, because it's 2024. Which month can you see in the picture? Which month? It is month of
Uh, um. I can say. I can say August.
it's August. But in the picture, what month is in the picture? Month of
It's September.
September. Very good, Kim. Okay. How many days are there in September?
They are 30.
They are
30.
okay, 30. Okay. Is September the first month of the year? Is September the first month of the year?
No, it
No.
isn't.
No. What is the first month of the year?
It's January.
January. Okay, so this is the last one. Please choose what do you think is the correct answer. You can choose your answer in the box below here. This one, okay? Please choose. Okay, Kim? I
Yes.
will just wait you. Okay, please answer. You tell me, Kim, if you're done, okay?
Yes.
Canada? Nagbanig din ba Julian? Okay. Kim. Oh, it's lost. Okay, Kim, lit one. Okay, autumn, summer, very good. Midday, minutes. Okay, number 5. What is number 5? Okay, number 16 is hours. Very good. Saturday and Sunday is considered as weekend. Okay, number 7. It is months. Okay. Number 8. Mm. Okay, century and very good. Winter. Okay, number 10. Mm. Midnight and last one. Very good, Kim Kim. Okay, at the moment. Wow, very good. Okay, Kim, I will see you on. Thank you so much. This is the last lesson. Okay, Kim, I will see you on when again, Kim? Saturday, right?
Can you say it on yellow?
Okay, I will see you on Saturday, 2 p.m. again. Okay?
Yes, I will be.
Okay. Thank you
Yes,
so much, Kim. I will write in the Zalo later. Okay? Bye-bye,
yes.
Kim.
Goodbye, teacher.
Good night.